Hi there, what's this?
Eyes on the diamond?
Yeah. 2 guards.
You have a way out?
I do.
Once I hit this, you wait for an opening.
Do it.
You're on. Now.
I'm moving.
Go. Hey! Stop! What happened?
They saw me!
Keep running! Get in!
Go, go!
I'm going! Did you get it?
We got away.
With the diamond.
I used Seedance to model in AKOOL AI to create this video, and here is the interesting part. You can win up to $30,000 in cash prizes by creating AI videos like this. AKOOL has launched its global Seedance to Creator Clash with over $300,000 in total creator rewards. And I will show you how to participate and how to create competition-ready AI video using Seedance 2 model. Hi, I'm Rushi and you're watching CodeByRushi. Let's get started. And a big shout out to AKOOL AI for sponsoring today's video. Open the official AKOOL link from the description. Then click on login and simply log in with your Google account. Once you are logged in, this is the main AKOOL interface. Here you can see the Creator Clash banner with over $300,000 in total creator rewards. Click on Enter to win and it will take you to the main competition page. Here you can see the live countdown showing how much time you remaining for the competition. You can also see the number of videos that already have been submitted. Now scroll down and you will see the prize distribution. The grand prize winner receives $30,000 in cash plus 1 year of AKOOL Enterprises plan. Then there is two $15,000 prizes, one for the most creative and one for the best ad. And each winner also receives the 1 year of AKOOL Pro plan. There is another 10 AKOOL picks and each winner receives $1,000 in cash plus 3 months of AKOOL Pro plan. And finally, every qualified submission can earn up to $100 creator bonus. So there are multiple opportunities to win this competition. Now scroll down the judging criteria. 40% is based on the creativity. Can people immediately tell your idea is unique? 30% is based on the execution, including the production quality, pacing, editing, and overall craft. 20% is based on the storytelling, whether your video is create emotion, interest, or engagement. And 10% is based on the use of AKOOL. How effectively and creatively you use this Seedance 2 model in AKOOL. So make sure you keep this criteria in mind while creating your competition video. In the criteria, there is no fixed video length. Now scroll down again and you will see the enter the challenge in 5 easy steps. First, create your video using Seedance 2 on AKOOL. Second, add the AKOOL logo in the corner of your video. Third, publish your video on Instagram, X, TikTok or YouTube. Fourth, tag @AKOOL and use the hashtag AKOOL Clash. And finally, submit the link to your published video. That's it. You can scroll down to check the complete detail about the each prize category and their specific judging criteria. And if you have any question about the competition, you can contact the AKOOL team at info@akool.com. The submission deadline is September 15th at 11:59 PM Pacific time. And winners will be announced on the September 30th. Now you know the prizes, the judging criteria and how to participate. So let me show you the main part. How to actually use this Seedance 2 on AKOOL and create my own competition ready AI video step by step. Now go back to the main home screen. Click on video and then select the image to video. From here, choose the video model to Seedance 2 or 2.5. If your video has specific starting and ending frame, you can select them here. But my video has multiple character and multiple scenes, so I'm going to turn on the all-in-one creation mode. You can upload up to 9 images, 3 videos and audio files as references. For this project, I have already generated my reference images using Nano Banana 2 model on AKOOL AI. So I simply click on add images and select the 3 reference images and upload them. Now for creating the video prompt, I have created my own custom GPT called Seedance Cinematic Prompt Maker, and I will provide the link in the description. You can simply give this GPT your video idea and reference images and explain the story or scenes you want to create. Based on your idea and images, it will generate the detailed multiple scene prompt specifically for this Seedance model. Now I will simply copy the prompt and paste it AKOOL. Next, scroll down and you will find the advanced options. You can use the speed ramping to control the speed of your video. You also have different ready-made controls for things like camera movements, shots type, character expressions, atmosphere, lighting, and effect enhancement. So depending on your video, you can customize these options however you want. For this video, I will keep the web search option turned on. Then I will set the audio to on. Next, choose the how many videos you want to generate and then select the duration. For my video, I am choosing 15 seconds. For the aspect ratio, I will select the 16:9 landscape mode. And finally, choose the video quality. If you are using this Seedance for the first time, I recommend you starting with the lower quality. This way, you can test your results without using too many credits. Once you are happy with the prompt and settings, you can generate the final video version at the higher quality. The model supports up to 4K. With my current settings, the generation costs 297 credits. Everything is ready, so I will click on generate. After around 5 to 6 minutes, my video is ready. Let's check the result.
Eyes on the diamond?
Yeah, 2 guards.
You have a way out.
I do.
Once I hit this, you wait for an opening.
Do it.
You're on. Now.
I'm moving.
And look at this. The quality is impressive. The character remains consistent throughout the different scenes. Once you are happy with the result, simply download the video. Now, using the same reference images but different prompt, I have created the second video as well. The downloaded video do not have AKOOL watermark, which gives you the clean final video. However, according to the competition requirements, your video submission must include the AKOOL logo in the corner of the video. So you need to add it manually. Open any video editor you normally use and import the videos you just downloaded from AKOOL. Add your videos to the timeline. Then open the AKOOL logo drive link that I have provided in the description. From there, download the horizontal light PNG logo and import it into the video editor. Add the logo above your video on the timeline. Resize it appropriately and place it the bottom right corner like this. Make sure the logo is clearly visible without distracting from the video. Once everything looks good, export your video at the highest quality possible. And that's it. Our competition ready AI video is complete. At this point, we have completed the first 2 competition steps, creating the video using Seedance 2 on AKOOL and adding the required AKOOL logo. In the next video, I will show you how to publish your video on the social media with the correct AKOOL tag and how to submit your final entry for the competition. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to CodeByRushi, and I will see you in the next video.